I don't know if I remember how to do this. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Cake It. I'm Yolanda Gamp, and this week, I'm back. We're back. How to Cake It is back. Not in the same way. We have big plans at How to Cake It that I wanted to share with you all. But before that, I want to debrief. Let's start at the very beginning.
Very beginning.
A very good place to start. Have you seen The Sound of Music, Orhan? Cut. I know a lot of you, I've seen a lot of you asking why that there are no new cakes on this channel. Reason is, aside from How to Cake It, I have been a cake decorator for 24 years. So trust me when I tell you, I have made a lot of cakes. So much so that I actually have an injury from fondant rolling. Who else can say that? If you have a fondant rolling injury, leave a comment, because I want to talk to you. We do have a new show coming for you. We're gonna air it in the summer, probably 6 or 7 episodes. I like 7. We're still in the planning stages of what we want to do in the episodes. I know that I want to travel, I want to eat sweet treats, I want to make cakes. Like, I want to go around the city and just eat donuts. I want to go visit a chocolatier and learn how to make a chocolate sculpture. So basically, in that episode, I would take you with me and we'll learn together. I want to do things like, I want to go to a sugar mill and a flour mill and see how it's done. Butter. I want to churn butter.
It is such a special thing that it has its own verb.
Yes, churning. I think the only thing you churn is butter. Stay tuned for the churning episode.
How to churn
it. So I want to know what you guys think. Is there anything that you want to see me do? And you know what to do. Leave it in the comments below. Let me know if you have any ideas for me. Because like I said, I'm open to ideas. How to Cake It has changed, and you guys have changed. The community has grown. It went from being, people wanting to watch me make cakes on the channel to people asking us how to learn and wanting to learn to make all these different sweets. We had all these plans to go around the world, and I wanted to teach live. I've only taught 1 live course at SoFlo. What is that now, 3 years ago? I'm gonna be back at SoFlo this year. Yes! But I still want to get out and, meet our community. It's all thanks to you guys, so thank you so much. If any of you are in the area, if you're in Florida, if you're in Miami, if you're close enough to get there, then come by and say hi so I can meet you. The details will be below. You know where to go. Wait, I have a new interviewer, guys. Tell everyone who you are.
Hi, I'm my mom's son.
Hi, I'm my mom's son. Okay.
I'm my mom's son too.
I'm my mom's daughter. Yeah. What's your question, sir?
My question is, why did you want to have a YouTube channel?
I never did want to have a YouTube channel. Connie and Jocelyn asked me if I wanted to have a YouTube channel. I had you, and you were very small, and I thought, oh, I can go back and make cakes, and I miss making cakes. I'll just make a little cake here and there. That's what I thought, Orhan. Here and there. And then I made a cake everywhere. Go.
He's spinning. You can't spin.
Don't spin and interview. Look me in the eye and ask me the question. Go.
Why did you want to have a YouTube channel?
You just asked that